Alright, let's get into something that really important today, the structure and growth cycle of the natural lashes. This is something that every lash artist should understand because it connects directly to the lash lifting and lash extensions technique. So, here's the deal. Every single lashes on the lash line go through 3 main stages. And that's why when you look at the client's lashes, you will notice that they are not all in the same length. Some are short, some mediums, and some are longer. And that's totally normal. It just means that they are all in different stages of their life cycles. Now let's talk about the first stage, Anagens, also known as the baby lash stage. The lashes in these phases are short, thin, and still very delicate because they have just started to grow out from the follicle. This stage lasts for about 30 days, and since they're still very developing and don't have much strength yet, we don't apply tensions or perform any lash lift on the lashes in this phase. They are just not ready. After that comes Catagens. I like to call it the teen lash phase because it's like the transition state. It lasts around 2 to 3 weeks, and during this time the lashes grow really fast. But here's a catch. Even though they are growing, they're still very sensitive. And if you apply tensions or do a lash lift in the wrong way during this stage, it can cause issues because the lashes is still trying to stabilize itself. Let me give you a real life example. If you attach extensions to a lash in Catagen phase, here, the lashes is still growing to grow a lot over the next few weeks. And what happens? The extensions end up getting pushed out. Look at this. And that's when your clients might come back saying, my lashes look uneven, but it's not your fault. It's just part of the lash cycle and it's totally normal. Next up is the Telogen phase. This is a mature and resting stage here. It lasts for about 3 months or 90 to 120 days. During this time, the lashes doesn't grow anymore. It's just chilling there until it naturally sheds and get replaced by a new lash. You might notice that when a lash falls out, there's a little white bulge at the base, and that's the root. It means that the lash is fully mature and ready to go. Quick recap for you guys. Anagens lasts around 30 days, Catagen lasts around 2 to 3 weeks, Telogen lasts around 3 months. And remember that every person's lash cycle is a little bit different. It depends on their genetics, diet, overall health, and even lifestyle. Now, here's something that you might have noticed. Sometimes clients come back after 2 to 3 weeks and the lashes haven't shifted at all. That's usually because you have applied the extensions to a lash in the Telogen phase, which doesn't grow anymore. So personally, when I do the lash set, I always start with the longest lashes first. Once I have used all the long ones, I move on to the medium ones and only lash the shorter one if I really need to fill things in. And when I lash the Telogen lashes, they tend to stay in place longer. Clients don't feel itchy or irritated, so they don't rub their eyes, and their lashes last longer. One more thing to keep in mind, lash cycles are not synchronized. Everyone sheds and regrows lashes differently. Some people might have lost a whole bunch of baby lashes all at once and certainly have a lot of new growth. Others might have mostly mature lashes and shed gradually over time. It's totally random, and that's what makes working with different clients is so unique. So that's the natural lash cycle, 3 stages that keep repeating over and over. Understanding how this works will help you decide when to lash or lift, prevent the technical errors, and deliver better results, and also explain clearly to your clients what's happening with their lashes. And that's how you build trust. That's how you become a great lash artist.